First, on YouTube, click the upper right section. Then click YouTube Studio. Scroll the left corner, look for the audio library. Then click it. So here's the music that we can use for our videos. It's non-copyrighted, so we can use it without worrying of the violations from YouTube. If your goal is to monetize your channel, I suggest as early as now, do not violate any rules. YouTube is very sensitive when it comes to CPR materials, especially music. Choose any music here. You can also play it first before downloading. Here is the music I have just downloaded. I have used it in my recent uploaded video. So let us now see if I got a CPR claim or strike from the music I used. So this is my YouTube Studio using the application. If you have a copyright claim, it will show up in the restriction section. And this is my YouTube Studio using the web. It's the same thing, restriction section, none, or it says here in Tagalog, wala. So that ends today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!